So the wedding is right here in front of us. It's ke lenyalo, ke magadi, ke lobola, ke ntho tse monate. Ho nkga dikuku, ke a kwa ka mnuku, ke a kwa. Ho nkga dikuku. Ke nako ele man, ke nako ya dikuku, ke nako e ntho tse monate, ke nako e ntho tse shapo, ke nako ele ya gore batho ba ithabise ba ikutlwise monate ba je dijo tse di shapo. Mara there is a problem. Lehasa Clement having a conversation in the kitchen, and Lehasa is just not convinced gore Clement is back into his old addictive ways. He feels that if he ever, Atilalela, if you are back to your old sneaky ways, remember when you said to me that now I'm a dangerous man? I will show you what danger looks like, my boy. You will sniff danger. Remember, on my wedding day, I do not want problems. I do not want drama. So I'm trying to tidy up everything that is to do with anything that has to do with drama. Ngicela nje ungalinge nje ulethi drama on my wedding day because my wife says she does not want drama. So that should be it. I told Clement, no, I'm not. Why would you think ukuthi mina mhlambe I'm back to my old ways? I'm not. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can already see, we are going to be reviewing Skim Sam Madekwana. Sanbonana abusheni molweni minjani. Hipukile hingongwina. So namutlha ka nono kwa hina wa Skim Sam hikuma ku swilo swi tshamisekile because Pretty and her mother just had a heart-to-heart moment where the mother was telling her, you know what, everything in this life needs prayer. You just need to kneel down and pray about everything. And when you pray about everything, God is going to help you. The Lord Jesus Christ is going to come and carry you through. Oh, we just had some church right there. And then Pretty said to her mother, you know what, mother, I think you are right, because as soon as I started praying, I then felt that there's peace inside me. I feel much better considering that I was just undergoing through so much stress this past days. Now anyway, ubabalwa kuthiwa ivenue ayikho ke sana. Ivenue ayikho, they've been double booked, and ubabalwa athi they're gonna find an alternative. Athi lalela, you going to find my wedding venue as per the agreement in Dikpatalela Ntoni. If you're not finding it, you are fired. Lehasa had a break-in, but funny enough, that person who broke into his restaurant, he said that he must not go to the police. They are going to sort it out. And as Ubabati is sorting out, mdase ichotoni sorta out. I don't know, but they said they're gonna sort it out at home. And Francois was not happy because at some point Francois is sniffing in. We are about to call kuko kagazila. Gazi. What is happening? What is going on? Something is flying here.